Ciechanover International Biology Award. This is a different award that we have established years ago. Now, where it's going without further ado, it goes to Eugenia Trushina. Is she here? Oh, she's here. Hey, and the field mitochondria. Congratulations, congratulations.
Surprise.
We always do surprises. That's how we do. So this is named under him. That's yours. Congratulations. Congratulations on the certificate. You can see there for them. And applause, we don't have many women here. Congratulations, you can say a few words. Short.
This is very unexpected, and thank you so much for recognizing this work, and I'm very touched. I enjoy very much this meeting. I think it's a great effort to put on the spot scientists and achievements of engineers and basic science and translational scientists. So thank you again. I enjoy every single minute of presentations and talking to colleagues. I wish all of you success and congratulations on the awards, and hopefully to see you soon.
Congratulations. Congratulations.